My name is Alya Rezal. I'm from University Tenaga Nasional and I'm currently doing my Bachelor in Accounting. As cliche as this may sound, I do believe that the most important thing, and I wouldn't say it's a strategy but more of a mindset, is to be passionate in what you're learning. Because I think that a lot of students are heavily influenced by their parents' options for career choices, or they would go for the majority. Like if they see their friends are, a majority of their friends would go for engineering, then they would also go for that. So I think it is important for you to be passionate in what you are studying, because everything is tough. Nothing in life comes easy. Each and every major or course is difficult. There's no such thing as an easy course. So it is important to love or at least like what you do, because that's what makes it manageable, what makes it bearable, and also what makes it possible. And also another strategy that helped me greatly during my university days would be to have genuine curiosity in the subject that you're learning. Because when you delve into the why of, let's say, accounting principles, then you are able to understand the root of what you're learning. And with this deeper understanding, you are able to it is way much easier for you to grasp and apply complex concepts. And as for the proudest achievement, I would say this is my proudest achievement. I would have never expected that among all the bright and intelligent students in my university that I would be chosen as one of the award recipients. And so I am truly honored and grateful for this golden opportunity. I love this question because I am able to share a little anecdote. Since I was little, from the tender age of when most children would dream of becoming a pilot or an astronaut, somehow little Alya had the confidence in her to not only tell herself but to other people that she wants to be the governor of Bank Negara Malaysia. And although it is likely unattainable, but the aspiration laid the foundation for my burning passion in accounting and finance. And I remember I really enjoyed counting cash and relishing the scent of money, though it is odd, but it is the truth. I also remember my mother's playful prophecy that I would one day emulate the esteemed Zati Aziz, former governor of Bank Negara Malaysia. The opportunities that would be presented to me as someone with an accounting background, because I know that with my knowledge in accounting, as an accounting student, I learned not only accounting but tax, audit and finance, and with that knowledge I'm able to get into any field or industry that I would like. I'm well aware that this opens doors to many opportunities for me, and that is what excites me, because I'm not restricted to just one thing. Although in my uni days, I was always told that with an accounting background, I can either go into tax or audit, but there's actually a lot more options for me. And for my role, in terms of my career path, as I am currently doing my internship as a tax consultant, I see myself staying in this field and to continue as a tax consultant in the near future. But also I do not want to restrict myself, and I still want to be flexible with what I want to do in life. So let's see where life takes me, but as of now I do see myself as a tax consultant.